Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today, I'm going to be trying to make a DIY designer face mask. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, sometimes Mondays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so, disclaimer, I'm not a medical professional. Please take the advice of your governments as to what you should do face mask wise. Obviously, I cannot tell you if this is in any way going to protect you from the virus currently going around, but I thought that it would be a fun little art project, and that is all this is meant to be. Now that that is out of the way, yes, I saw Neva Rose do a tutorial on this, and I'm going to try and follow it. I am not a DIY person in the slightest. A sewing machine was required for this video, and I bought the Handy Stitch, the handheld sewing machine that looks like it is straight out of the 80s. From Amazon, that is hopefully going to do the same job, but we'll get through it. This could go really well, or this could be an absolute travesty. So please stick with me to see the end result. Okay, so apparently what you will be needing is a pair of scissors, a template of a face mask, because Neva Rose kindly had one below her video to make this whole process a little bit easier. We're going to be needing a ruler. Please don't laugh at mine. It is in the shape of a shark. A pencil. Once again, don't laugh at me. It's Hello Kitty themed, because why not? And it's mechanical. And a sewing machine, which we don't have, but we do have the Handy Stitch, which was about £13 off Amazon. Now, for the designer aspect, we will be using a dust bag. So, I keep all my dust bags, and I went through all of them to see which one might work the best. And I feel like this Chanel one will not only bring us the bougie vibe that we are looking for, but the material seems like it might be the best to work with this. So let's get to the fun stuff. We have the dust mask. Neva Rose, what do we do now? Okay, so what I think is the best thing to do is I have put this template over the Chanel logo. Now I am going to try and, if I poke a hole in that, okay. Now I can at least see the corners. So now I'm going to use our little sharky friend. Okay, so now I have done that, I'm going to cut it out. I'm actually going to leave that thing on the side because I feel like we might need this for the string around our ears. Look at me, thinking one step ahead. Hello. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm folding it. The 1 inch fold. Oh my gosh, okay. How big is an inch? So I'm gonna fold it and then sew. I folded it. I'm gonna sew a hem. Oh my gosh. Okay. Not sure. Half that string's just... What's that? What's that? Why isn't it staying? Honestly, at this point, I'm just letting it do it and I'm closing my eye. Oh, jeez. Why?
Up to an inch, depending on how...
Fold down 3/4 up to an inch. I don't have an inch. Is that it? I don't know. I don't sodding know. Is that 3/4 up to an inch? Is that 3/4 up to an inch? My gosh, well if all else fails, I'm not going to be a sodded seamstress, am I? Sodded tailor games out the window. I'm sorry, but there is absolutely no way I can rectify this and make this work, even though it would be really cute if it would work, right? But that's just not. Oh my gosh. I think I've just cut up a Chanel sodding dust bag for absolutely nothing. Okay, I found this stuff, which I believe, unless I am very, very wrong, is the stuff that you put down, you iron, and it sticks for you. It does the sewing for you, okay? So, I am going to try and use this to rectify this absolute SHIT show that has gone down over here, okay? Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've cut this little webbing thing. So, if I am correct, and let's sodding hope so, excellent, like that, and I think I just iron over it. It's sodding gone and done it! We've done it, we've done it, we've got a sodding hem. Okay, now to do the rest. We've got that. We've got that. Okay. Now we need to figure out how to... We're getting there. Okay, now we're going to do the folds. I don't know how many is necessary, but we are going to wing it. Right, and now I'm going to go ahead and iron said folds. Iron the folds. Go ahead and iron them sodding folds. Now, I think the last thing is that I need to do the thing round the sides, right? So, let me take this out. I'm going to take the ribbon out. We have a safety pin. Okay, so this is the plan of action. I'm going to feed it through this ribbon. Okay, this is not easy with nails. Feed it through the ribbon. Then I'm going to feed it through, come on, the seam hole slash passage. Don't know what the technical name is. Feed, pull, yes, feed. Oh my gosh, what was that? Oh yes, come on, come on. Don't break. We've got one ribbon through. Get in! Okay, next one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. It may not be the most, perfect looking, but to be honest, people shouldn't even be that close to you to see. Okay? We're in. Oh my gosh. We're in. Does it work? Kind of. It kind of works. Oh! Hope you somewhat enjoyed this video. I'm going to link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening where you are, and I will see you in my next video, which will not be anything like this.